Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX. Yeah, this is still moving sideways here. There is not really a clear setup in my opinion. I mean, in yesterday's video I highlighted to you that we possibly peaked in this B wave. And if we now follow through and then break below the last swing lows, it's likely that we're coming down in a C wave. I think we see that now. For additional confirmation, we need to break below the low of the A wave, which is at 36.1 cent. And then we come down lower in a C wave with possible support at 27.9 or even 17.2 cents. But bear in mind, first line of support will be here around 35.4 cents. So possibly watch out for a reversal here. But if this is a C wave, it should break below it. I would then, by the way, not see this as a wave 4 anymore. This has then come down too much, but possibly as a wave 1 already complete, and we come down in a wave 2. Okay, but this is not so important. It's more important at the moment to take a look at what do the internal waves do here. And I think so far my assumption was correct that this in itself here was not enough or adequate time really to correct this entire movement. Yeah, we talked about that today in the member live stream. Because look at when this move started back in November, basically. Yeah, time-wise, I mean, compare that time-wise, yeah, with this correction. I mean, this entire move, it's to correct this entire move in just sort of a week is not very likely. Therefore, I'm thinking this is just A wave down, B wave sideways, could still carry on for a little bit longer. Yeah, I mean, the B wave could become a long triangle, for example. Yeah, for example, this could become an A wave, B, C, D, E, and then come down. So again, don't wanna. It's too early to talk about a long triangle, but just pointing it out. But at the moment, it looks like we're coming down in C, and I gave you some key support levels that are relevant, obviously, to pay attention to for possible turnarounds. And at the moment, ideally, I mean, ideal targets for the C wave, not really support levels, but targets, we talk about 30.9 cents. That's the very first one here that is relevant for a C wave. It's the 61.8 FIB extension of the A wave. Okay, so typically you get 3 possible targets for a C wave. The first one is the 61.8 FIB extension. The second one is the 1-to-1 ratio at 19.2 cents. I think it's only really these two. The last one is the 1.618 extension, too far down. Okay, so at the moment we're watching. Do we break previous support? If we do, we've got a target at 30.9 and then 19.2 cents. But consider the support areas that are highlighted to you as well. And then we need to pay attention to the micro count as well for this C wave. And if we do that, for me, this looks like a wave 1 down, maybe a wave 2 to the upside, and we could now be in the third wave. So it doesn't look finished yet, but let's see. If we land somewhere in this region between 19.2 and 30.9 cents, we will be able to pick that up on the, along the way. Because if this was a wave 1 of C, this was the wave 2 of C, then we're talking for the wave 3 of C as a target 30 cents. Yeah, so very much in line with the 61.8 extension here. So we'll see. At the moment the short-term trend is down. And also the move up here was very much in 3 waves, so it looks very corrective. So I'd rather be focused at the moment on the downside. I also haven't really bought back into AGIX after I took some profits here along the way. I'm still waiting a little, and I will do so if we go a little lower here. I will, by the way, take that green support area out as well. I think we're going to break it, so it's not really relevant anymore. But if I get a bit of a better view here of the micro level, maybe in the next 1 or 2 days, then I will provide you with a key support area for a C wave, and then we'll revise, depending on what we do here, we'll revise the higher level count as well, because this might become a wave 2 actually, not a wave 4. It would only be a wave 4 if we really found support here, but then I would need it to rally now. Yeah, and obviously when it comes down, maybe find support at 35.8 and we see an impulsive turnaround, then this could still be a fourth wave, but we'll see. At the moment it's corrective, so it doesn't have a very clear pattern, okay? So I would like to see a little bit lower to have a clear bottom in place, and then we can be watching for a reversal. Okay, and this is my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.